In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete blank rows in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing a minimal list or organizing a large dataset, tidying up your spreadsheet by removing unnecessary, empty rows can greatly enhance the clarity and efficiency of your work. Let's walk through this process together. Let's begin by opening your Google Sheet. It's essential to have your data ready, as identifying and deleting rows will clean up your document efficiently. So head over to Google Sheets in your web browser and open the document you'd like to clean up. Once you have your document open, the first task is to select a cell. Any cell really, just click on it to make sure your sheet is activated and ready for editing. By clicking a single cell, you'll be able to navigate through your document and eventually take our next crucial step, highlighting the blank rows you wish to delete. Now focus on finding those empty rows. This can often be a bit visually cluttered, especially within a sprawling sheet, but patience here is key. You'll want to highlight these blank cells. Drag your cursor over the range of cells that encompass the blank rows. This action ensures that we've clearly marked the areas we aim to tidy up. Once highlighted, these blank spaces might already make your spreadsheet feel a bit more organized, just knowing they'll soon be gone. Next up, with those empty rows within our sites and ready to be edited away, it's time to utilize your mouse. Simply hover over the selection you've made. Then right-click on this highlighted section. By doing so, a menu will pop up. This is your gateway to simplifying your spreadsheet's layout by removing clutter. In the menu that appears, there are several options, but the one that interests us is the delete function. So, right-click on Delete Rows and notice the range it presents, likely indicating a span something like rows 16 to 1000. This range might not precisely reflect your exact location, but rest assured this instruction will adapt itself contextually based on your sheet's situation. Selecting this option will immediately remove those blank rows, effectively condensing your data to just the rows that matter. Congratulations, you've just streamlined your Google Sheet, removing those unsightly empty rows that were interrupting the flow of your information. Keeping spreadsheets clean and organized not only enhances readability, but also contributes to more effective data management overall. Remember, tidying up your sheet is not just about deleting rows willy-nilly. Take a moment, reflect on which rows are genuinely redundant, and act with intention. Your future self, and possibly your colleagues, will thank you. It's small maintenance actions like this that keep frustration at bay and efficiency at its peak. That wraps up our quick guide for today. Hopefully you're leaving with a clearer, more user-friendly Google Sheet than you had before. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials on keeping your digital workspace organized and efficient.